welcome to the Muzik Show. This is a place where we sing fun songs, meet new friends, and learn about the world around us. Let's meet one of my friends right now. Would you help me call her? She's a beautiful bird and her name is Soprano. Let's call her together. Ready? Soprano, oh soprano. Hi, Soprano.
Hi, Miss Music. Hi, kids.
How are you today?
I'm great.
You're looking beautiful as always.
I know.
Soprano, you're so funny. Soprano, would you help me sing a hello song to everyone?
Oh, yes.
Wonderful. Boys and girls, in this song, we're going to move our shoulders like this. So when you see me doing this with my shoulders, you do it too. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello, hello, hello to you and you and you. Hello, 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 and how are you? Let's laugh, ha, ha, let's sing, let's learn, let's bring some fun today. But first I think we'll say hello, hello, hello to you and you and you. Hello, 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 and how are you? Oh, that was wonderful. And well done, Soprano. Soprano, today we're going to be talking about something that everyone loves to see in the month of October. And I'll give you a little clue. Are you ready? It starts with the letter P. And boys and girls, what does P say? That's right. P says P, P. Any guesses, Soprano?
I know. P for pink like soprano.
That's such a good guess, Soprano, because pink does start with P, but that's not what we're talking about today. So I think we need another clue. How about we call our friend Bowtie Guy, and he can help solve a puzzle. Are you ready, everyone? This is how we call Bowtie Guy. Ready to snap your fingers? Bowtie Guy, Bowtie Guy, Bowtie Guy, Bowtie Guy.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hi, Bowtie Guy. We're fine today. How are you?
Very good. I'm so excited to see you, and Soprano too.
Hi, Mr. Bowtie Guy.
Hi.
It's always fun to have you on the show. Would you help the boys and girls figure out what we're going to talk about today with one of your puzzles?
I would love to. Let me go and get a puzzle, and I think I have one that starts with the letter P.
Are you ready? Okay, we see it up there. Okay, Bowtie Guy. Now, how do we solve this puzzle? Oh, that's right. Put the orange pieces together. Looks like there might be some, does that go there? Oh, it looks like there might be some faces or something in here. Oh, those work. Yes, perfect.
That's a lot of orange in that puzzle.
There's a lot of orange. Yes, Soprano. Okay. Make sure you do the edges, Bowtie Guy. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Perfect. That's great. Yes, and those connect. Are you helping us, boys and girls? Please call out and tell Bowtie Guy where to move the pieces. I don't think that goes there. Oh, yeah. That's right. Soprano, where should he move the pieces?
Oh, I think he needs to put all the mouths together on the... Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Yes, that's it, Mr. Bowtie Guy.
That's it? Oh! And then move that up. Okay, perfect.
On the edge.
There was a hidden piece, Bowtie Guy. Yeah, we're almost done. There it is. Oh, it says congratulations, you solved it. Wonderful. Thanks for helping, boys and girls. Well, did you figure out what we're talking about? That's right, we're talking about pumpkins. And that starts with the letter P, which says pumpkins. Thanks, Bowtie Guy.
Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Soprano, I have something to show you. Close your eyes. Oh, Soprano!
What?
You're being so loud.
This music, you look so silly.
But you're being so loud.
I know, I like to be loud.
I like you to be loud too. But did you know that in music, there are signs to tell us when to be loud and when to be soft? I'm going to show you those signs right now. In music, when you're playing an instrument like the piano or you're singing, if you are supposed to be loud, you will see a sign that has the letter F. And that means to play or sing loud like a lion. Can we roar? Roar! So when you see an F in music, you play or sing loudly. And when you see a P in music, that means you play or sing softly. You're soft like a bunny. Have you ever patted a bunny? I don't think I have, but I know they're soft. So if you see a P, then you play or sing softly. Soprano, I know a great song to show the boys and girls how you play or sing soft and loud in music. Should we sing it for them?
Yes.
And the best part is it's about pumpkins. It's about a little pumpkin. Can you see my little pumpkin that's sitting on my piano? It has a face in it. Soprano and boys and girls, what do we call a pumpkin that has a face carved into it? Can you yell it out? Oh,
I know this music.
Go ahead, Soprano.
A jack-o'-lantern.
That's right. Did you get it, boys and girls? A jack-o'-lantern. This is about a little jack-o'-lantern who wanted so much to be scary for Halloween, but he just didn't have a loud enough voice. So here we go. This is called I'm a Little Jack-o'-lantern. Are you ready? Our little jack-o'-lantern can sit there and listen. All right, here we go. Oh. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. Boo!
Ah! Oh, this music, you scared Soprano.
Oh, I'm sorry, Soprano. But boys and girls, I wanted to teach you the loud and the soft in music. So I sang the song very softly all the way through, and then I did a big loud boo at the end, and I surprised Soprano. All right, should we try singing that to Bowtie Guy and seeing if we can scare him? Want to do it, friends? Okay, let's call him, and then you have to sing it with me. All right, we sing it 2 times, and then I want a big boo at the end. Here we go. Let's call Bowtie Guy. Bowtie Guy. Bowtie Guy. Bowtie Guy. Bowtie Guy. Bowtie Guy.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Do you want to hear a song about a jack-o'-lantern?
I would love to. That would
Excellent.
be great.
We're learning about loud and soft in music. And this jack-o'-lantern, he wants to be loud and scary, but his voice is too soft. All right, you ready to help me sing it, boys and girls? Here we go. It's a very soft song, Bowtie Guy. So listen carefully. Here we go. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'll scare you. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern. I'll scare you. Boo! Oh, boys and girls, we scared him so much he fell off his chair, but he'll be okay. We'll give him a minute to get back on his chair. Soprano, in the meantime, would you like to teach the boys and girls a song or a poem about pumpkins?
Yes, Miss Music, I know one called 5 Little Pumpkins.
I know that one, and I think I have some little pumpkins that I can show while you say the poem. That's wonderful.
Awesome. Here we go. Ready? 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "A witch is in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "Isn't Halloween fun?" Then, ooh, went the wind, and out went the lights, and 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight.
Oh, bravo, bravo. That was wonderful. Good job, Soprano. That was great. Well, boys and girls, I think we're just about done our show today because I have to go and pick out a pumpkin for Halloween from the pumpkin patch. Did you do that yet? I gotta run.
Miss Music, make sure
Yes.
you pick a pink one for Soprano.
Sure, I'll look for one. Boys and girls, is there really pink pumpkins? I don't think so. All right, Soprano, before we go, we want to see which friends have been watching us today. So I am going to use my magic magnifier. This is a magnifying glass, isn't it, boys and girls? And it's orange like a pumpkin. When I look through it, I can see who's watching us today. But I have to say the magic poem first. Are you ready? Magic magnifier, who can I see trying to be a detective like me? Looking for clues at work and at play. Who can I see that is learning today? Oh, I see some of our friends today, Soprano. I see Jaden. Hi, Jaden. I see Leah. Hi, Leah. I see Hunter. Hi, Hunter. And I see, well, who's this like? Riley. Hi, Riley. And, oh, I see Blake out there. Hi, Blake. Oh, but my eyes are getting so sore. I think I could, one more. I can try one more. I see Ali. Hi, Ali. Oh, my eyes are just too tired, boys and girls, and I have to get going to the pumpkin patch. So that's all for today. Bye, everyone. Bye, Soprano.